So talking about the big players in this series, Thick-Mundas, that is a group, and White Devil, which we do not know who is actually part of that. Uh, Thick-Mundas is headed by Adam and Noah, and also we see Magnus and Francisca later joining that Thick-Mundas and being a
in
part
their older age.
in their older age. But and for White Devil we see Claudia's other name, and according to Adam, Sigmundas or Adam belongs to the light and Claudia belongs to the shadow. So if we talk about,
I think,
And vice versa.
I think vice versa.
Vice versa for different.
Maybe that vice versa
For
may
Claudia-
happens in that another world.
so yeah, that is what the next question for me is, that like are both of them telling the truth, that when Adam is saying that he belongs to the light, and when Claudia is telling that she belongs to the shadow. So is it clear that or is this a big deception for the audiences, that what are their alliances, the good or bad?
It's like means two sides of the
talk
same
about-
coin, I guess.
Let's talk about Claudia first. Is she?
Yeah.
I have reason to believe that Claudia is an evil character, and that is because she used to be a part of the Sigmundas, a time traveler, but now she has her own agendas and not believes anything that Adam used to teach or say to her. And we see that there is a character shift in Claudia's in 1986 when she found out that her father was going to die from cancer. She's asking him to like come move in with us, but at the end when when they go to their home, and just before her father got suspicious of about what was happening in the cave, she just let her die. Like when he was going to call the police and ask them to investigate, she stopped him. And Shankadeep sometime before actually pointed out that it might be because she was so curious about finding out about this God particle thing.
Yeah. I agree with Shomrat why she's a bad character, or I don't know, means a negative character. As in the last part of season 2, means in season 2, the last episode, where she comes to Jonas's house, where she saw Jonas hugging Michael, his dad, and trying to stop him to kill himself. So she tells that we need to give sacrifices. So in a way or other, she wanted that cycle to continue, where Adam didn't want that. And I mean, personally, I think that Adam tried to kill this cycle by repeating the cycle. Means when he failed at some point,
that there is a loophole.
There's a loop. Means he again wanted to get to the last part of the cycle, and again when the cycle will start, then he wanted to kill that cycle in some of the timeline. We can.
Yeah, you complete it.
We can. Means I can tell that from like in where Claudia came. She means Adam sent Jonas to stop Mikkel. So and all the things which happened there, Mikkel getting into caves, Mikkel getting into caves, and small Mikkel getting into caves, and the same Mikkel means the Michael, who is his dad, getting killed, means killing himself, writing the same note. That note's a bootstrap paradox. So writing that note to him, to Jonas or somebody else. I think that's what Claudia wanted, to get the loop on and on and on.
I want to mention a few things here, because as Somrat and Shankadeep propose their theories, I want to say that if we consider Claudia as a villain, are we considering Adam as a good character here? I think not.
No. I am considering both as villains.
Okay.
I think both are selfish
their
and
own
both are
purpose.
very selfish and want their own purpose.
So they want their only agenda to be fulfilled. But here I want to point out that we don't know where that knowledge Claudia gains, the older Claudia. Everything that younger Claudia gains and learns is from her older self. We don't know what is her origin, how she gains that knowledge.
That knowledge is bootstrap paradox. I
That
guess,
knowledge is
because
bootstrap paradox.
there is no starting point of that knowledge.
How means how it is getting started. We don't know the origin even.
That is a
Yes.
That
bootstrap
is what
paradox.
they are
Means
telling. That
you,
is
you will not get the starting point of a thing,
Yes.
knowledge, or a
I
person.
don't think
Because
it
as
is that
A.G.
simple.
As
No,
A.G.
no.
Thomas always said that if a particle or something is travel back
Yeah,
in time,
I know what is a
so
bootstrap paradox, but I disagree on the point that knowledge of Claudia is a bootstrap paradox. I definitely think there is some relation of that with maybe parallel world. And another point that I want to raise that maybe it's Adam that who wanted that cycle to go on, because otherwise he wouldn't have sent Jonas in the first place, because Mikkel knew nothing about the suicide or any of the plans of it,
Hmm.
unless and when Jonas told him about that he was going to kill himself, he had no idea about it. It is true that Claudia has supported that act and told to make sacrifices, but it was the idea of Adam to make and go and keep that idea in the head of Mikkel to have that suicide in the first place. So, and also the point of suicide and the disappearance of Mikkel in the cave is almost 6 months, 5 months apart, because the suicide happens in June,
yeah.
and the disappearance of Mikkel happens in the November 10th, I guess, 10th of November.
Yeah, I think that means that happened in same frame only, but I think
There is a
Jonas traveled
gap.
further.
Yeah, there is a gap,
Yeah, that gap.
and between that, the Jonas of real Jonas, I think he has debuted on some. We don't know where he was in the 2 months. We know nothing about that. I think there was also something mysterious kind of. Maybe there is some mystery about
Yeah,
that.
that was said. He was somewhere
We
where
don't know.
like he was getting a treatment for
From
his
Peter.
depression or
Peter
something.
was his.
Peter Doppler, yeah.
Yeah,
Peter
but
Doppler.
yeah, it's not. I am not convinced enough, as I would say. But yeah, coming back to Claudia, yeah, Gunjan, you say.
Now I want to just want to add or end Claudia's discussion, because I think we are going in a loop and no one is able to conclude that if
Yeah, we know nothing about Claudia.
yeah,
Yeah,
and I don't
Exactly.
think we ever
We have to wait for season 3.
I think we never get a clear motivation from her that does she actually want to stop it or want to make it continue. Rajdeep said that
Yeah.
the actions she does wants to suggest that she wants to make the loop to continue, but there are other things that he tells Jonas prior to that small change in the equation can break the loop. So that gives that she
Yeah.
may have a motivation to stop the loop. And also she
And-
also, one of the famous quotes, she says that she has seen a world
Another
without
world.
Jonas. So I
yeah,
think
Yes.
she also the first person who acknowledges the existence of another world or alternate universe, which we are going to talk about it after some time.
And the pages in that diary also,
Yeah.
that
Yes.
the diary pages that Noah
November
took
5th.
from
that
her
is
before
always
killing
present
her
from
off.
Edna. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So moving
That
on
pages
from
is always present.
so moving on from Claudia, I think we should talk about Adam a bit, because we have mentioned him
Yeah.
a lot of times. And well, as the story suggests, that he is the older version of Jonas, and something
Jonas.
fucked up happened maybe with his face to me, which looks like something I don't know.
Most probably
Deadpool's brother,
radiation,
Deadpool's brother.
time
character.
travel.
The one,
Brother of
that's
Deadpool.
what. Yeah, what is his name? Shayan? Do you remember
Who?
Fantastic Four character, that big fellow like Hulk?
Oh yes, I forgot his name.
He looks like that one. So one of the most intriguing stories here that or the theories here that he's not actually Jonas. Now I don't think that's true, but there are some people. I think Shankudi believes that. So
I don't buy it.
No. I believe that he is Jonas, and as I told earlier also, like Adam wanted to stop this loop. The one point where he tried to stop the loop is where he went to 2019 and tried to stop Michael from committing suicide. That was one point where he tried to stop. And I think another point which we can see in season 3 trailer, like where a person is getting stuck with a lightning, a person who is hiding behind the truck in a black raincoat. I think that is the older version of Jonas, or the stranger Jonas. And he tried to break that cycle by not creating that that machine of the wormhole in the first place, and that is a time I think where he got struck by the lightning of that machine.
Then
And
why
after that,
did they make that machine and they made in the charts inside that chart?
that is a big thing. Means
I
I
think
don't know.
I think the main motive of Adam has he also said to Jonas while they were interacting that he was waging a war against time. In one of his quotes, he has said that there is a time war against time, and they want to completely end time. They want to create timeless world because we are all slaves of time.
his exact quote where he is in war with God and time is
God
God.
is time.
Time.
Time
God
is
is
God.
time.
Exactly.
Yeah, continue, Rajiv.
So first, I disagree with Shankadeep on the first point. Like he told that Adam sent younger Jonas to 2019 to stop Mikhail. So if he went to that timeline to stop Mikhail, so as Adam is older version of Jonas, so he already knew that Claudia will come and stop her. From
Yeah,
that.
yeah, that's a point which
So he
was I
already knows.
pointing out that in the cycle he's trying to like again in the next cycle he'll be trying to stop these events. So as this continues, like he himself has been caught into a like a loophole, a loop, right? So
Yes.
I don't that's my own theory. I don't know.
I think everything is repeating itself. Yeah.
We can
Yeah.
see that Adam is actually the player who is playing with the puppets using Noah, maybe sometimes a younger Jonas as his puppets to manipulate and win his war against time and create this world
Noah also tells
without
us
time.
that they are like the pawns. They are
Yeah,
like the
And
pawns
exactly.
of a chessboard. Yes.
yeah, and I think we forgot to mention that in the section where we discussed about Noah. Noah is not his actual name. It was name given by Adam,
Yeah,
and there
Noah's
was a
Noah,
particular reason behind that
and
name.
from here another like a very beautiful story or a theory also comes up, like Adam and Eve theory.
Adam, Eve, and
Noah's Ark and Adam and Eve theory.
yeah, and
And
So
we have
I think for that only
yeah,
he was given Noah as the name, because he was the like
savior
the right
maybe
hand
of that boat story we all know the Noah.
Noah's Ark.
any other theories you want to shed light upon about Adam?
Adam,
So-
no, but
So one question is there. One question is there about Adam. So does he know about that alt world? So is he coming from alt world or is coming from this world only?
no,
I
don't.
think he comes from this world, but he knows about the other worlds.
Because clearly
Because-
Martha comes and takes
Yeah,
younger
actually.
Jonas, but that is a different question. I have a question about that. We will get to that later. And anything else?
But I have a question about Martha, that there was a time there in the very first episode that Martha and Jonas meets under the bridge at the night when they were going in their quest of getting stuffs of that kid who was
Yes, drugs.
disappeared.
Yes.
Yeah. So when nobody has arrived, they both arrived at the first place, and Martha has said that it all feels like a deja vu, and
Yes.
Adam, not Jonas, famously says it's a glitch in the matrix. So why does Martha says that it already has been, these all events have been happened before?
Already happened before.
Now that
So
is a good
is there-
question, and I think that is a perfect time to move on to our next point about the existence that we come to know about the parallel or alternate universe. Because just when we were getting a wrap around the head of the concept of time travel in dark, the creators thrown in and a parallel universe
world.
story, ye bhi le lo,
Mind blown.
isko bhi dekho. And so in that sense, what he was telling that there is a very big theory or prediction that the parallel universe that we see at the end of season 2 when Martha comes and tells it's not about when, from which world. So like I think Rajdeep was trying to say that if she's from another world and
Yes.
this has happened, does mean it is running in reverse, and that is a popular theory. That's what you were trying to say?
Yeah, maybe because why would she feel a deja vu and that feel that all these things have been happened before? This all these events have happened before. Means how did she? Means we have to remember that she is in the normal timeline and nothing has changed at least up to that point,
Yeah.
as we
Yes,
all know.
Yeah.
So that means
I
there's a
think
lot to
it
think
must
about
be a
it, and I
memory
have
from
no
that
answer.
parallel universe, I think.
That they're subconsciously
From the
related or attached to the parallel universe
Yes.
but
counterpart
in
of
that,
in the parallel.
yeah, maybe, but in that case, I have a theory of parallel universe that all the characters are not in the same way in their own self. Means I
Yeah.
have a theory. Means as we all know that I think Jonas is Martha in the parallel universe,
Yeah.
and there pops up the Adam and Eve theory,
Yeah.
where that famously we know that it's a mirror
In
version
one
of
world,
all these characters.
he's Adam, and one world she is Eve.
Yeah, yeah.
So in that
Eve.
sense, they need to meet to make a one world. Like, so that is what maybe that happens in the end of.
Maybe that meeting point is the apocalypse.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
that,
yeah. And
yeah.
another thing, like another thing, Adam mentions not Adam. Martha, I think, mentions there are other worlds. Means apart from the alternate world, there are other worlds too. So is it justified that if we take it for granted that only Adam and Eve is only there for these two universe only, or there are any other universe? It's just a question. I don't know.
Then
It's a question from my
so there is another theory I want to ask you what you guys think about it, that there are actually three universes or three worlds. One is the prime world that we know right now, where whose story we have been following till season 2, before the last episode, and there is another world which is running in reverse, and which we have seen some suggestive trailers in German Netflix channel, that the trailer is running in reverse. Jonas is running in reverse, and the tears are coming up. So, and there is a third world, that is that a world without time, which actually Adam wants. These are the three worlds that exist, and that the Trinity loop that we see comes up. We have previously thought that it is about the three timelines we see in the series. Maybe that is depiction of the three worlds that exist. So
And maybe I think that all these three world depicts the three timelines also, the past, present, and future. Maybe, I don't know. This all the timeline. Each of the timeline depicts one of the worlds.
yeah.
I don't know. Maybe anything is
Yeah.
possible in that.
Now I have
infinity maybe is in
now
here.
I have one theory or the prediction that just came out during this call. What if the timelines they are going back is not in this world actually? These all of them are
Exactly.
individual timelines in individual worlds. What if that is the case? Like when Mikhail goes back, he does not go back in that timeline when he in which he grew up. He goes to another world's timeline back in time.
That will be more complicated, I think. It will.
That will be more complicated, but that just came out to
Complicated, but yeah, but if that happened, why
If that happens,
we
then he don't grow up.
Right.
He will grow up to that 2019 in that other world you are telling. So
yeah.
he will grow up in.
I don't
No, but-
I don't think the cave in cave there is any displacement of world. There's no displacement of time, nothing else. I don't think that.
I think that if what you are suggesting, if that happens, then how did when Mikhail grew up in 1986
Yes.
up to 2019, and and he feels uncomfortable seeing Ulrich, his mom and dad, swing through window, and when he sees his true young self in their basement of their own house, both of them freaks out. So I
So
think
Martha already has deja vus about the other worlds. So that maybe that's happening in Mikhail's mind that time also.
then we have to assume that all of things happen simultaneously in both the worlds. So maybe,
Yeah.
but apocalypse will happen in both the world as suggested by the new trailer.
Martha. Yeah.
Yeah. And if you suggest that both the worlds are simultaneously it's running, then can we assume that in Dark also both the worlds are simultaneously shown? Is that possible? I don't
Maybe.
know. If
If only there
if
are
it's
two
the-
worlds. If only there are
Yeah.
two worlds.
I am suggesting
Yes,
each
because
timeline is each individual worlds. 3 timelines, 3 worlds.
I have seen 4 timelines.
Four worlds. Maybe Shayan wants to interject. Huh? Yeah, Shayan, go ahead.
When we see the opening credits of Dark, so we get a mirror image of two sides, like two worlds.
Yeah.
So I guess there are only two worlds, and no third world is there.
But I want to ask you,
And
all of you,
both-
a question. Okay, you continue.
Yes,
Then I-
and both worlds are not running in that same timeline. I mean, one is running little bit ahead, and one is running little bit slower, because
Yeah,
the
maybe
apocalypse
I
does not
think that
happen at the same time. apocalypse
reverse.
happens on this world first. And yes.
And characters are also are not, I think, different, maybe.
Yeah, not reverse means
And that
reverse. I'm not.
yes. Yes, Shankar.
I don't assume that it runs in reverse.
Yes.
But I believe that the timeline is not similar, because when Martha and both Martha and Jonas moves to the other alternate world, they have been there on a set or on a picture where there is nothing like any apocalypse has been taken place.
Yes.
Also,
I want to,
Shomrat, any point on this, Shomrat?
No.
I want to ask, maybe I want to ask Samrat only on all of you, but that in the new trailer, we see a portion where the bunker is situated in a very barren land. It's like a desert only. Yeah, beside the bunker, it has been shown like a desert. And when they came out of the cave, also the outside surrounding has been converted into a desert and barren land. So, what do you think? It is in the same world, or in some alternate world, or in
I think
very
that is-
advance of time, or very behind in time? And what do
I
you
think that is not Winden. I guess that is not Winden. It may be in the alternate world or the other world, but
No.
or any other world. But
It could
I
be in
don't think that's
Rajasthan.
That's a place like Rajasthan.
Thar
So it
desert.
can be Sahara.
Okay, so if it's not Winden, what is your proposition? Where it is?
That I don't know. I don't know every place in Germany. Or,
No, it is not possible to say that
It is not
Like
in
a-
Winden. That is that
So
is not possible.
my theory is that the both worlds are not yet created in that time, so it is barren.
like before Big Bang.
Yeah, not before Big Bang. I think that the world is not created
Oh,
after
I
that.
I don't know how means if the world is not created, how the tunnels are there, because we should not forget that before 1921 there was no tunnel only. So
World, I mean that city is not
can't be-
created. World is there, but not city. It's the city Winden is not
there are
created.
no two worlds. Then
No,
there
if
only
the-
one world.
No, if
What?
city is not created,
What?
then how the tunnels are there? Because tunnels were not created before 1921.
Maybe it's like
1921
Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Like
No,
it
tunnel-
was there, but then a calamity came and then it was disrupted.
No,
but
not-
the
I think
Not-
tunnel were already there, but inside that tunnel, that another tunnel which is used to
Not
time
even-
travel, that tunnel is not.
tunnel after tunnel.
No,
No,
not
no.
even Shankodeep.
Yeah.
What he said, not even in 1921 the tunnel was complete, because Jonas
But,
did it.
Exactly.
that
No, I
entrance
think we
was
are
there, right?
confusing about one thing. Tunnel is related to time travel, not traveling between the worlds. And we are assuming.
no,
Exactly.
So you are
exactly.
telling if the
Exactly.
tunnel does not exist, it doesn't matter if the tunnel does not exist in the time we are seeing in the desert. It's about different.
No, I means yeah. If that happens, like it can be it may be of the other world also.
Yeah. Now about the apocalypse, I have one last thing to add about this world. That Martha coming from an alternate world to save Jonas at the end of season 2, was it that it is a part of the loop that it was supposed to happen, or it is the change in the equation that Claudia was talking about, that someone from the alternative universe comes to save, and that is the change that in the equation that makes this the last cycle? Like, is this already happens in every loop, or it does not happen?
I think both of them are correct, because Adam also knew that someone from alt universe will come and save. Claudia also knew, because Adam left them deliberately after killing of Martha of the normal world and moving away from that house, deliberately knowing that someone will come to save Jonas, so that he could again become Adam. Jonas could again become Adam.
Exactly. I was means the theory I suggested, that Adam becoming Jonas, getting hit by a lightning. I think that's the same Jonas and the same stranger Jonas. Means the 2019 Jonas is a grown version of, means the stranger who gets hit by lightning is a grown version of this Jonas who was taken from this world. I guess so. Means, and there is, means we have to admit that this is the last season. So I think I think Dark should end here.
I have a question. Means I have a really confusion that we are now seeing two different version of Jonas, and the means in two different timelines. How will they again get connected? Means stranger Jonas along with the group of their friends, younger friends, Bartos, Francisca, and all of them traveled to 1921 most probably, and they started their Sigmundas there. But what does Martha takes that younger version of Jonas is into another world, and how then what happens to that character?
I
What
think
is
that
that
is
character
when
arc?
I think that is when the younger Jonas, after gathering the knowledge from the alternative world, becomes a stranger Jonas. And I think that is the evidence that if the character needs to grow in that way to become a stranger Jonas, I think that suggests that maybe coming of Martha from an alternate universe happens in every loop. Or if it is a different thing that it does not happen in the past, that means maybe this young Jonas does not become a stranger Jonas, or maybe something else happens. Like
Maybe we will not get answer of everything.
maybe just the killing,
Yeah,
like
which one is
maybe just the killing of Martha in front of Jonas makes him the stranger Jonas that he becomes. That and in this loop, the different thing is Martha comes and saves him from the apocalypse. But in that
So
sense, he
in
has to
season,
survive the apocalypse in some way if Martha doesn't come in the previous loops. So
so in
again, we are
season
stuck
two,
in a
we
loop again.
yes. So I want to add a point like
Yeah.
so. So Jonas, so older Jonas, like the stranger Jonas, uh, keeps Martha in that bunker so that she does not get killed.
Hmm.
So he has already
Okay.
experienced.
Yeah.
So he has already experienced younger Jonas version. So he wanted to change that, but he couldn't change it. So I guess he has also the knowledge of the third world, second world.
I think somehow
Yeah.
saving Martha, and I think in the other world saving Jonas. I think that is the key of what happens and saves the loops or breaks
Yeah.
the loops. Because
In the
there is a
new-
one trailer, there is a one that
Yes, yes.
line just
He
suggests that
saves-
I tried killing each other. Martha clearly
Yes.
says, but she could not do it.
Oh,
I have the
I
line.
think uh,
Yeah, you
and in
continue.
the
I'm
new
finding the
trailer,
line.
yeah, in the new trailer, I think I saw a moment where Jonas was trying to save Martha just before the apocalypse hits, and I think Bartos was sitting in his cycle, and he is pushing Martha off the edge, and somehow,
and they're vanishing.
yeah, and then vanishing.
No.
It's a very brief, for the very brief moment we see that scene. I think
La-
that is
The line which
That's
I
from the
was
alternate
saying,
world, I
the
guess.
line which I was talking about is Martha says none of us are prepared to let go. I think that is the key word of what happens. That is why Martha is coming back, and I think one of them needs to let go. Either Martha needs to let go of Jonas, or Jonas needs to let go of Martha to break this cycle. Because whenever Jonas is repeated line of Jonas is don't we are meant to be together. Don't believe what anyone else says you. I think Jonas and Martha being together or being separated. I that is I think the key of what happens in this, which breaks the loop or the glitch in the matrix that needs to happen.
yeah.